Hello students, I hope you are all well. Today we are going to continue our previous exercise 16.3 of chapter data handling. Okay, we have completed few questions. We have talked about what was mean in earlier class. Mean was the average one, and then we have talked about how to determine median and mode for a given set of numbers. Okay, now today we are going to discuss more about the same. Now these are option type questions, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in these questions we have to either find out the mode or the median. I will leave the mode question to you. We will discuss about median. Okay, mode is quite easy. First of all, you arrange the number in the ascending order like this. You have to arrange them in the ascending order, and after that you will write down the mode is the most frequent number. The number which is repeated most is the mode. Okay, now median. Once again you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So for this set of numbers, question number 3, median for median, first of all 7, then 9, then 10, 7, 9, 10. Then there is 11, there is 13, there is 15, and there is 17. Okay, now first of all what we do is we determine how many numbers are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are odd numbers. Okay, so today I will tell you, if you follow the formula, how will you determine the answer. Okay, if you want to determine the answer using the formula in the book, how will you do it? First of all, you will count the number as 7. Okay, now you will write down that n is an odd number. Here n is an odd number, so formula for median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. Median will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, so what do I mean by n plus 1 upon 2th term? N is 7, 7 plus 1 upon 2th term. Okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 upon 2th term. Okay, now 8 upon 2 is 4th term. So 4th term will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th term according to the numbers we have arranged is 11. So 11 is the median here. Okay. In the same manner, question number 4. In question number 4, again we have to find out the median. So first of all, we will arrange them into ascending order. Answer for previous question was 11. Smallest number is 5, so 5, then 6, then 7, then there is 10, before 10 there is 9, 9, then 10, then 11, then 12 and 13. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 numbers. So you will write down n is equals to 8. Okay. Here n is an even number. So for even number median, formula for median is given as n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. Okay, so how will you solve this? How will you go around solving this? This will be n is 8, so 8 by 2 with term plus n by 2 plus 1, 8 by 2 plus 1 term upon 2, that is 8 by 2 is 4th term plus 4 plus 1 is 5th term upon 2. So here it will be 4th term is 1, 2, 3, 4th term is 9, and fifth term is 10. 9 plus 10 upon 2, that is 19 upon 2, it will be 9.5. So median for question number 4 will be 9.5, that is D part. Okay. Now I've told you both types of solution for to find out median. Okay, you can use the solution that I've taught today, or you can use the solution that I've taught yesterday. Okay, it wouldn't matter, both are correct, equally correct. Now next is question number 8. We have done question number 5 and 7 already. Question number 6 I will leave to you. Do question number 6 on your homework copy. Question number 1 to 4 can be done in your book. Next is question number 8. Now this is quite easy question. Question number 8 is telling us find the mode of the following frequency distribution. Very easy question. Okay, so first is your marks. Okay, next is number of students getting those marks. So this table means that for a set of numbers 34 is coming 8 times, 35 is coming 7 times, 38 is coming 10 times, 39 19 times. तो यहाँ पे हमको पहले ही बता दिया कि कौन सा नंबर कितनी बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ओके, तो सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर कौन सा रिपीट हो रहा है? सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है 43. 43 कितनी बार रिपीट हो रहा है? 22 टाइम्स. सो मोड फॉर गिवन सेट ऑफ नंबर्स इज 43. इसी तरह से इसका सेकेंड टेबल है, बी पार्ट है, वो खुद से करके देखिएगा. चेक योर आंसर. ये व्हाट यू हैव टू डिटरमाइन, ये जो सेकेंड कॉलम रो है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द रो फॉर फ्रीक्वेंसी. आपको सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी वाला नंबर बताना है. सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी है 22, इसका वाला नंबर है 43. सो वो हमारा मोड हो जाएगा. क्वाइट ईजी. ट्राई टू डू इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 सेकेंड पार्ट इन योर होमवर्क कॉपी. Next is question number 9. Question number 9 is the following table shows the shirts having different sizes from a certain shop of a month. Find the modal size. Okay, मोड निकालें या मॉडल साइज निकालें, एक ही बात होती है. लेट मी रिपीट इट अगेन. या तो हम मोड निकालें या मॉडल साइज निकालें, एक ही बात होती है. ओके, सो मॉडल साइज once again we will observe the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 35 and number opposite to is 40. So modal size is equals to 40. इतना ही करना है और कुछ नहीं लिखना. Solution 9, modal size is equals to 40. If you want to add more, you can add the definition of mode here. Next is question number 10. You have to determine mean, median and mode for each of the following. Okay, so I will do one part, I will leave rest part to you. So I will be doing B part here. You have to determine mean, median and mode for all of these. Mean is simply add all the numbers and divide by number of terms. It is 39 plus 25 plus 15 plus 65 plus 55 plus 45 plus 75 plus 25. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 upon 8. Okay, so first of all we add all these numbers. First one is 39. This is okay. 5 3 4 5 6 7 7 5 35. 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9 is 44. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. 17. 17 plus 5 is 23. Sorry, 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. 29 plus 2 is 31. 31 plus 3 is 44. Okay, let me check again. You can add this by yourself as well. I'm trying to add by myself. Okay, and we will check the answer again. 39 plus 25 plus 15 plus the answer is 344 actually. 344. Okay, so we'll simplify it. 8 4s are 32, 32, and then 8 3s are 24. So your answer is 43. So mean for the given data is 43. Okay. Next we have to determine the value of mode and median. So for mode and median, first of all we will write in ascending order. So smallest number for B part is 15. Then you have number higher number than 15 is 25, that comes twice. Then you have 39. Then after 39 there is 45. After 45 there is 55, then 65, then 75. Okay, now mode will be the most frequent. Which is the most frequent? 25. And median will be the middle value. Okay, there are a total of 8 numbers. Okay, so in middle you have these two numbers. In middle you have these two numbers. Median will be 39 plus 45 upon 2. Add all of these, 84 upon 2, that is 42. So median is 42, mode is 25, and mean is 43. Okay, usually value of mean, median, mode is all different. Okay, it may be same, it may be different, it depends solely upon the question. Okay, so I hope you will be able to do the rest of the question of this exercise. Rest of the question you have to do in your homework copy. So we'll pause for now. Before ending the class, next topic that we are going to start is probability. Next topic that we are going to start is probability, and for probability let me give you the formula, and we will discuss about probability in the next class. You have to learn formula today so that you can apply it in the next class. Okay, this is the formula for probability, and we will work on probability from the next class onwards. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.